Do subscribe and click on the bell icon.
Hello friends, welcome to Tuto. If you are recording a video or even an audio for any purpose, background noise may be a very issue for anyone. So in this video we will learn how to install Audacity and how to reduce background noise by using this software. So let's start. I want to tell you something first, and that is, before you start recording you should keep quiet for at least 2 to 4 seconds, so that when you put the audio file into the software can distinguish the noise from the audio. So let's play the original audio. Hello friends, welcome to techtuto, and this is the test audio for our video. I think this is enough what we need. Thank you. Here you can notice the noise. Now go to google.com and search for Audacity. Hit enter. You can open the home page or download page directly. As I am a Windows user, I am downloading for Windows version of it. Click on save. I am not going to download the whole cause I have already downloaded the software. So double click on the saved file. Click on run. Choose your language and click on OK. Click on next. Read the information if you wish to, and next. Now choose the folder where you want to save the installed file. Next. Next. Click on install. Now finish. By double clicking on it, open the software. You can drag the audio file into it, or go to the file and navigate to the audio file. If I play, you can hear the noise. I am going to amplify it first so the noise can be more noticeable. Hello friends, welcome to techtuto, and this is the test audio for our video. I think this is enough what we need. Thank you. Now select the noise part and go to effect. Select noise reduction. Our first step will be get the noise profile so the software can differentiate from the audio. Now again go to effect and select the noise reduction. In the second step we have to filter according to our need, but I will suggest you not to change anything and click on OK. If I play it, hello friends, welcome to techtuto, and this is the test audio for our video. I think this is enough what we need. Thank you. There is no noise we can hear now. To save the file, we have to export it. Go to file and select the export audio. We can export it in different audio format. Now save it. We can also edit the metadata. Click on OK. As we already exported the audio file, there is no need to save the file again. Playing the new one. Hello friends, welcome to techtuto, and this is the test audio for our video. I think this is enough what we need. Thank you. And if we play the old one, we can see the difference. Hello friends, welcome to techtuto, and this is the test audio for our video. I think this is enough what we need. Thank you. So this is how you can reduce the noise from the audio. Hope this was helpful to you. Hit the like and do subscribe. See you in the next video.